Hi, this is Rebecca, and I just wanted to jump in and let you know that I finished my course on using the new Ideogram Character update. This has been epic because we can now really rapidly generate books and also turn those books into coloring pages too. I show that in my course that I've created. I generated this book really rapidly in under an hour. This particular book, I really didn't edit it. I just wanted to quickly show how fast a book could be made, and I made it using tangent templates as well as the Ideogram Creator, and you can see just how consistent this character is. And I showed tips on how to make sure that his clothing stays consistent, the faces stay consistent. I give tips and tricks on how we're going to make those coloring pages and how to assemble the book also. People are loving the book, loving the course. It's called Character Lab, and it's just a mini course. It's just priced for you to jump in and consume it and get to work. I also talk about ways to monetize this wonderful new opportunity that probably stuff you've never heard before. I'm just going to say, anybody who knows me may have heard me talk about it before, but you don't really hear people online talking about some of the things that I'm going to let you in on. So it's chock full of information. You probably can do the majority of the course in under an hour, but if you actually take action as you're going through the course, it might take you an hour or two to really do everything that you want. I also have some bonuses in there. I have a coloring page prompts for Ideogram, as well as full color, so you can also make children's books out of these prompts that I give you. And I also give you full stories with prompts for describing the child and what they look like, and then also the story prompt and the image prompt that goes with them. So I give you 25 stories. I give you 10 that are fully illustrated, have full illustration prompts, and then I give you some standalone story plots that you can flesh out on your own, just to get you started so that you can hit the ground running. What I'm about to add today to the course is I was experimenting with being able to put two characters together, and it really does take a little bit of finesse to be able to do that, but we certainly can. As you can see, I have a little girl and I have a little boy, and then they're together playing. I've changed their clothes, and I've also put them into a scene with another creature. So yes, we can do that, and I also talk a little bit about trying to do realistic images with children. So I'm going to be adding that to the course today, so if you grab it right now, it won't be there, but it will be there tomorrow. So this is so much fun, and being able to use Ideogram to finally be able to generate consistent characters without all the hassle of what Midjourney made us go through. This literally one and done. You make the character, you put it in there, and then if you want to change certain things, I'm going to show you how you can be able to have your character do all kinds of movements and be in different places. So hopefully you'll join myself and my friends in my new little mini course. I'm planning on making some other mini courses. I'm sorry I've been absent due to some health reasons. I've had to take some time off for family reasons, but I'm back, and hopefully you'll join me on this fun quest to make beautiful books, make beautiful art with AI, and learning so much from the process. So jump on in, grab my course, and I'll see you on the inside.